And here we are, in fact, we have yet another proof that few months are a long time in Indian politics. Congress, which was upbeat post the Lok Sabha results and is, in fact, what you're learning, is increasingly getting snubbed and isolated by the allies in the India bloc. In a significant development, what we are learning through the sources is that TMC is learned to have decided not to join the Congress-led India Party protest at Jantar Mantar today. The protest will be held today mainly by the Congress to demand the restoration of peace in Manipur and a visit from the Prime Minister there. Now, reacting to this, the Bharatiya Janata Party has taken a swipe at the Grand Old Party, saying that their allies have cut the Congress party to size. Have a look.
फिर से एक बार इंडिया अलायंस में टीएमसी ने बता दिया है कि वो कांग्रेस के साथ नहीं और कांग्रेस और राहुल गांधी पर नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन पारित कर दिया है। पहले पार्लियामेंट में जो प्रोटेस्ट उठा रहे थे उसमें टीएमसी शामिल नहीं हुई। टीएमसी ने कहा कि हमें अध्यक्ष बना दो, हमें लीडर बना दो इंडिया अलायंस का। समाजवादी पार्टी ने भी किनारा किया। जेएमएम से लेकर ओमर अब्दुल्ला और ओमर अब्दुल्ला से लेकर लेफ्ट पार्टीज ने कांग्रेस को उनकी असलियत दिखा दी और अब टीएमसी एक और प्रोटेस्ट जो कांग्रेस का है उसके साथ नहीं खड़ी है। मतलब कि कांग्रेस के उठाए गए मुद्दों पर जनता क्या, उनके खुद के एलाइज भी भरोसा नहीं करते क्योंकि कांग्रेस एक हिपोक्रेटिकल पार्टी है और राहुल गांधी को स्थापित करने के लिए जब कांग्रेस पार्टी इंडिया अलायंस का इस्तेमाल करती है, इंडिया अलायंस की ही पार्टी और इंडिया अलायंस के दल कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस अब तुम हमसे लीडरशिप की पोजीशन मत लो, अब तुम्हारा भार ढोना ये हमारा काम नहीं है, अब तुम्हें आगे बढ़ाना हमारा काम नहीं है। ये सभी लोग मिशन और विजन के साथ नहीं, केवल अपने अपने मिशन और पोजीशन के साथ चलते हैं। इनके लिए कोई मिशन या कोई विजन नहीं है, केवल अपना अपना पोजीशन, अपना अपना एम्बिशन, यही इनके लिए महत्वपूर्ण है।
Now all this comes amid a chorus for a change of leadership in the India bloc, and it's not the Congress opponents or jealous rivals who are singing a rebellious tone. It's the members of the India bloc who are pressing the change button as far as the change in India bloc is concerned. And the first to go public with the need for the change at the top of the India bloc was the West Bengal Chief Minister. Now remember, Mamata Banerjee had declared that she is ready to take over the reins of the India bloc. And what must worry the Congress now is that the proposal till now, as far as this is concerned, has faced no vetoing voice from the India bloc members. Feeling, in fact, happy after the elections in West Bengal, TMC netas are openly flaunting NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar and his daughter Supriya Sule's endorsement to say that Mamata Banerjee, with a track record of repeatedly defeating the Bharatiya Janata Party in every election, is the right choice to lead the India bloc. Samajwadi Party, led by Akhilesh Yadav, snubbed by the Congress during the seat-sharing talks in the recent assembly polls, doesn't seem to be averse to this idea. The Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction is mulling breaking away from the Congress in Mahavikas Aghadi. So all this is happening at a time when the India bloc members are in fact seeking that there should be a change in the leader of the India bloc. Have a look.
Several top leaders of the India Alliance, including the NCP leader Mr. Sharad Pawar, have now called on Bengal Chief Minister Ms. Mamata Banerjee to take on a leadership role within the India Alliance. It is under the leadership of Ms. Mamata Banerjee that the Trinamool Congress has consistently and constantly defeated the BJP. The track record of the Trinamool Congress in defeating the BJP is unparalleled. If this service to the people now requires her to take a leadership role in challenging the BJP at the national level, then she is ready to do so.
उत्कृष्ट नेता भी है, वैसे ही केजरीवाल साहब अभी चुनाव में दिल्ली में उतरेंगे, तो ये सारे लोगों में बातचीत हो और
इस पे तो सब लोगों को बैठ करके जो है बात करनी चाहिए। और हमारे समझ से इंडिया अलायंस में जितने लोग हैं, जितने सीनियर लीडर्स हैं, कोई भी आए तो उसमें आपत्ति किसी बात की नहीं।
समाजवादी पार्टी तो ये चाहती है कि इंडिया गठबंधन कायम रहे और इंडिया गठबंधन मिलके चुनाव लड़े। गठबंधन के नेता तो अभी खड़गे साहब हैं।
Now with Mamata Banerjee officially having thrown her hat in the ring and endorsement coming from the India bloc members as well, it's very important to know what the Congress party is saying. Congress maintains that Rahul Gandhi was and will always remain the leader of India bloc, and NDA netas, as far as this entire row is concerned, say that this reflects that India bloc is a sinking ship, and they claim that Rahul Gandhi certainly cannot be a glue to keep the parties and the flock together as far as the India alliance is concerned. Listen in to what's in fact the reaction that has come from the BJP as well as the Congress.
गठबंधन में एक बड़े भाई की भूमिका में कांग्रेस पार्टी थी और हमेशा रहेगी। राहुल गांधी हमारे नेता हैं और नेता रहेंगे और सबके साथ लेके चलना, सबको एक जोड़ के लेके चलना और 10,000 किलोमीटर की यात्रा करना, जिस तरीके से देश को उन्होंने जोड़ने का काम किया, कन्याकुमारी से लेके कश्मीर तक और पूरी तरीके से मणिपुर से लेके महाराष्ट्र तक, तो ये उनके अंदर एक क्षमता है। निश्चित तौर से वो हमारे नेता हैं और इंडिया गठबंधन के एक बड़ी भूमिका में, बड़े भाई की भूमिका में वो हमेशा थे, हमेशा रहेंगे।
जब टीएमसी की जीत हुई तो टीएमसी ने पूरे देश में अपना नेटवर्क तैयार करना शुरू किया। हरियाणा में भी, उत्तर प्रदेश में, बंगाल और वहाँ गोवा में भी, हर जगह हाथ पांव मारा। टीएमसी कहाँ तक सफल हुई इसी से समझ सकते हैं। जो अपनी पार्टी बंगाल के बाहर नहीं ले जा सकी, वो देश तक का स्तर पर क्या लड़ेंगे, क्या नेतृत्व करेंगे।
There seems to be a clear messaging going to the Congress party that it can't take the other parties for granted, and certainly its leadership in Mr. Rahul Gandhi is being questioned. Now this is something they have to answer. The Congress party, what are their views? And on the other hand, whether it's acceptable to their allies. The BJP has no role to play in this.
इंडिया अलायंस में नेताओं को होड़ लगी है कि कौन लीड करे। पहले उद्धव ठाकरे जी लीड करना चाहते थे, वो नहीं हुआ, और अब ममता बनर्जी को अचानक ये सपना आ रहा है कि इंडिया अलायंस को, ये डूबती नैया है। डूबती नैया का वो अगर कैप्टन बनना चाहती है तो हम उनको शुभकामनाएं देते हैं।
Well, crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi, who got this input that TMC will not be part of the, in fact, the protest that will take place at Jantar Mantar today. Good morning, Sabyasachi. There appears to be a rift in India Bloc. What more can you tell us as far as the India Bloc protest today is concerned and the presence of other leaders?
Well, Akansha, see, at this particular time, the Trinamool Congress sources have confirmed that the Trinamool Congress won't be part of the India Party protest that is scheduled at Jantar Mantar today at around 1:30, and it is mainly being convened by the Congress party, where they would be protesting against Prime Minister's visit and demanding Prime Minister's visit to Manipur, and also for restoration of peace in Manipur. See, the Trinamool Congress from the beginning of the winter session itself have maintained its distance from the Congress party and the India parties. In fact, the parliamentary committee meeting of the floor leaders of the India Bloc, which is being called by Mallikarjun Kharge, it is being also skipped by the Trinamool Congress, and also the protest which is being led by Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in front of the Makar Dwar, that protest also is being skipped by the Trinamool Congress. So the message from the Trinamool Congress is very much clear that they won't be putting a stamp just for the approval of the Congress party that they are part of the India Bloc. But the Trinamool Congress time and again have made it clear that they would be raising state-centric and people-centric issues inside the parliament, whereas the demand for the change in the India Bloc is continuously rising after Mamata Banerjee clearly put out the message that she is the mastermind behind the India Bloc, and if given a chance, she is ready to lead the India Bloc. And she have also questioned the India Bloc performance in the assembly polls as well as the by-polls, and several other political parties from the India Bloc, whether it is the NCP, the Shiv Sena faction of Uddhav Thackeray. In fact, all of them have given a green signal to Mamata Banerjee, stating that Mamata Banerjee's performance in the state of West Bengal is absolutely great, and she has been successful in putting away the BJP in the state of West Bengal. And seeing at her track record, it would be best if Mamata Banerjee leads the India Bloc, whereas the Congress is of a different view. The Congress says that the Trinamool Congress has been reduced to the state of West Bengal. They had tried their luck in several states, whether it is the Northeast or in Goa, and they have failed. And then if you talk about national politics, the only party that can take on the BJP is Congress party, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi is the only person who can lead the India Bloc.
Absolutely, but all eyes will be on this India Bloc protest that will take place at Jantar Mantar today. But definitely TMC is what we are learning will not be a part of this protest. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this now. See